It's me. I am back in the house. This is what I was talking about, how the water heater sits. It sits like that high off the floor. So it's actually probably it's up to my waist. So this is going to be fun. This pan down here has water in it. I guess it's got a leak somewhere at the bottom. He said he replaced it like 10 years ago. So it's going to need to be replaced. We don't know where the leak is at when we turn the water on. And you've been using the hot water. You can hear the hot water heater fill up, but then you can hear it dripping. I thought it was somewhere up there where all the pipes are, because that's the control for the water heater. And I thought it was somewhere where all the pipes were. Well, I guess I was wrong, because I looked at it this morning and you can actually see a little bit of rust. So we think it probably rusted out and that's why it's leaking. But yeah, because it's going to be a pain to get it from this level, from the floor, all the way up into there. But yeah, we got to replace the water heater. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.